Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the musical instrument in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get musical instrument, you can join a quest. Complete a quest, or you can buy the musical instrument from Annie. And it is at the Winter Utopia. So you can go to the Winter Utopia and then you're going to visit her store. Select store, and then here you will be able to buy the musical instrument. I'm going to go to the music store. Okay, and here you will be able to buy recorder, lute, and then piano or a wooden bass, or it's up to you guys, but it's quite expensive. Or actually, you can go to the event menu and join this event. 7 days sign in, and on day three, you will be able to get piano for free, guys. So you don't need to purchase it. Okay, guys, and that's how you can get musical instrument in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.